Hello, my dear viewers, audiences, students, professional educators, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to my course related to the drilling engineering practices, workout examples, and exercises. The bundled course comprises with three modules. So, drilling engineering is one of the oldest technology on earth. The risk and uncertainty are due to the knowledge gap in drilling technology and the science behind it. In addition, there are a clear shortcoming in fundamental understanding of mathematical formulas derived from scientific theories due to the lack of enough practices on mathematical relations in the form of workout examples in drilling engineering. To date, there are several textbooks that explain and cover drilling operations with fundamentals of drilling engineering. Unfortunately, there is no courses so far where enough workout examples and exercises exist in any literature in the form of independent course. As the first and only complete guide for petroleum engineering student, trainee engineers on basic drilling, and a milestone book for basic illustration and understanding. This course is the best choice for the drilling engineering community. It will be a unique production in this discipline. The course also covers the fundamental issues for beginners who are interested in learning drilling engineering through enough workout examples, exercises, courses explained in the concept of basic subject matter clearly and presents the existing knowledge ranges from drilling rig to all the way to drilling cost analysis. So the course present the engineering terminologies in a very clear manner so that beginners in drilling engineering would be able to understand the drilling engineering related formula, mathematical model, correlation with minimum effort. In addition, each chapter contains enough workout examples and exercises for a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Further, there are some self exercises where the answers are given at the end of each chapter, so a student can take benefit out of it as a self assessment for themselves. Finally, the course are the foundation and the resource guide and excellent resources for the petroleum engineering students and drilling engineers who wanted to learn how to design and calculate different drilling engineering calculations in the classroom and the field. Before saying bye to you, let me introduce myself in front of you. This is Professor Enamul Hussain, the NSRIC Chair in Sustainable Energy, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I have about 28 years of experience in academic institutions and industry in different organizations around the globe, including the Statoil Chair Professor position at Memorial University, Newfoundland, Canada. I am an academic leader who established different organizations to serve mankind in education. I have about a decade of industry experience and published over 200 scientific articles, dozens of books, and US patents. I served in different academic and leadership positions at different institutions. I supervised 100 plus graduate students who have been awarded master's and PhD degree and mentor few hundreds of undergraduate students and young professionals, hoping to bring more interesting courses for you in future. Thank you so much for watching this introductory video and staying connected with NSRIC for more and more useful and interesting topics related courses on our NSRIC platform. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Bye.